Your PAYCELET can also store any link, which will then be automatically opened when tapped against another smartphone. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up. To do this, first click on the PAYCELET in your Fidesmo app where you want to set up this link and click on Connect to Service. Now you press Add the website to your wearable. Let's click Next. Here you can now type in the link that you want to open automatically when you get closer to your PAYCELET. This can be, for example, your own homepage, your LinkedIn profile, an Instagram account, or even a virtual business card that you can create for free at Linktree. For example, let's use PAYCELET's Linktree. Now click on Connect. And hold the PAYCELET completely still to the back of your iPhone or at the middle of your Android device. With the iPhone, you now have to present it again. Click on Connect again and hold the PAYCELET against the back of your iPhone. The link is now stored on this PAYCELET. When you tap your PAYCELET at another phone, this link will open automatically. Now, for example, this is the page that opens when we hold my PAYCELET up to the iPhone. For example, the PAYCELET online shop is linked in this link tree, but much more complicated link trees are also possible. You can create this overview for free at Linktree. You can find a link to it in the description.